Hello, welcome to the unboxing video. Now I'm gonna unbox this Enchen, which is under XIAOMI Enchen hair clipper. Its name Boost. Okay, on the side. Okay, this one. It's wrote in Chinese, so I'm not sure what's that. And then this is the manufacturer, 5 minutes again, and also the product Boost 5 watt. Okay, then nothing below, nothing here, nothing here. This is white or black, so I choose white. It's the same thing. Same thing. I use this, my piece. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, okay. This is the product itself, the hair clipper under XIAOMI Enchen. The blade, power on off. I'll show you this. Type C for charging. Description. Boost name 5 volt. This is level, so level 3, and you go by 6. Oh. Sorry, until 21, like this. And then what's in the package? Little brush, and then the Type C for charging, Type C cable. Cannot focus. Why cannot focus? It's Type C. And I guess it's oil. And the manual. It's written in Chinese. It's in Chinese. All I have to do is Google Translate then to understand really what's inside this. If you want to open it, okay. No idea. Okay, so that's it. The unboxing for the Enchchen hair clipper by under company of the Xiaomi also. Okay.